What's up YouTube? We have early benchmark leaks of both the Exynos and Snapdragon variants of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We also have the leaked prices in euros and the official spec sheet of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. At this point, everyone already knows how badly Samsung's Exynos processors has performed over the years in comparison to its Snapdragon counterpart. Exynos had always heated more, had poor battery endurance, and an overall underwhelming performance in both the CPU and GPU departments. Samsung fixed its CPU performance on the Exynos 2100 by adopting ARM's Cortex-X1 cores, but its GPU was still far behind Qualcomm's offering, and they plan to fix that on the Exynos 2200, which is just a few days away. Now, if we're to go by the leaked Geekbench scores of both the Exynos 2200 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Exynos seems quite underwhelming, with a single core score of 961 compared to 1219 on the Snapdragon variant. Now, this could be due to the fact that it's a super early leak and there's still testings to be done. The chip hasn't even been announced yet. Or it could be fake, and I say that because the Exynos 2200 is expected to use the same cluster as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So they're both produced on Samsung's 4nm architecture and are both gonna use the same core configurations. There's no reason for there to be such a huge performance disparity in the CPU department. So the European prices of the Galaxy S22 series has been leaked, and someone at Samsung has been taking some apple juice because these prices are absolutely ridiculous. So according to this price list, the S22 starts at 912 euros, the S22 Plus at 1119 euros, and the S22 Ultra starts at 1430 euros. Now, this could be from a European country with crazy taxes that significantly increases the prices. Like when the Greece prices for the Galaxy S21 series was leaked, it was crazy high and everyone panicked. But that was just for Greece. So this might be for the same country or a country with similar tax structure. Samsung maintained the S20 Fan Edition prices on the S21 Fan Edition. So they're mostly gonna do the same on the S22 series and price it similar to the S21 series. I see no reason to price the S22 series much higher except the S22 Ultra with its Spen integration. So I'll say take these prices with a grain of salt. Even the guy who posted it said not to expect them to be very accurate. So the official spec sheet of the Galaxy S22 Ultra was leaked, and the entry-level model is gonna start at 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, which is highly underwhelming for an Ultra device. It should at least start with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage because it's the highest end flagship from Samsung for the year, and it also doesn't have expandable storage support, so 128GB is too small for the entry-level model. Anyway, the spec sheet confirms most of what we already know about the device, except the colors. We previously thought there was going to be a bronze and a burgundy color option, but it turns out there's going to be just the burgundy, which is also the bronze. I really don't know how that's supposed to work, but there's going to be 4 colors: Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Burgundy. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.